Car insurance liability versus full coverage. In a moment, you'll discover the single biggest mistake people make while shopping for car insurance, and how exactly to get the cheapest auto insurance rate that is available to you. The number one mistake made while shopping for car insurance is approaching only the companies that are most heavily advertised. The first insurance company that comes to mind is not necessarily the one that will offer you the best rate. The single most critical factor in getting a cheaper car insurance rate is shopping around for as many quotes as you can. Why? Because different insurance companies charge different rates for the same coverage. In addition, insurance companies' competitiveness differ tremendously by customer location. Only by obtaining several quotes that are specific to your situation and location, you will be really able to discover the cheapest rate that is available to you. How many quotes? Go for at least 4 quotes from different insurers. Less than that will not do the job. Now, usually shopping around for 4 quotes can be a tedious and time-consuming task, but we will make it here much easier for you. In a moment we'll reveal to you a little trick we use to weed out the more expensive insurers and discover exactly which is the cheapest auto insurance provider for your specific location. Now the difference between car insurance liability and full coverage is straightforward. Liability insures against the damage you could cause other people or their property while on the road. Full coverage applies to damage to your vehicle. Liability cover is a legal requirement in almost every state. Do I need full coverage? Is full coverage worth it? That depends. Probably the biggest factor to consider is the age of your vehicle. Cars begin to lose their value almost right away. A new car loses around 10% of its value the moment you leave the lot. Over 5 years your vehicle will depreciate by 15% to 25% every year. This drop in value means that the amount you first paid for your car will likely be more than what the insurance company will pay out should it get severely damaged. Deciding whether full coverage makes sense is just a question of math. Ask yourself if the age, mileage, or wear and tear on your vehicle mean that the payment you would get from your insurer isn't worth the extra monthly payments for full coverage. Generally, if a vehicle is getting close to 10 years old, you might be better saving the money you would spend on full coverage to put towards being able to repair or replace the car yourself. Even if you have full coverage, there might be situations where you are not insured. For example, your own medical bills would not be covered by full coverage. Likewise, if you are hit by a motorist who's driving without insurance, or not enough liability cover, then uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage would take care of this. If you want the peace of mind of knowing that you'll have a vehicle, should yours go in for repairs, then you should look for a policy with rental reimbursement coverage. This will help with the cost of a rental car while your car is out of action. Now, as promised, here is a simple trick we utilize to get the cheapest car insurance available. To discover the cheapest car insurance rate that is available to us, we use this free service, toll-free, at 855-981-7528. This is a free by-phone service that specializes in locating the cheapest car insurance rates. They perform the tedious task of shopping around, and present you with the cheapest auto insurance provider for your location. We call this service every year before our car insurance expires. It allows us to discover whether there is a cheaper car insurance rate than ours, and has saved us lots of money over the years. And best of all, it's completely free.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video,